So today I'm going to be showing you how I do my own pedicure at home using items from the Dollar Tree. So here's the things you're going to need. You're going to need this pedicure tool. I found it in the health and beauty aisle. I'm not sure what it's called, but it has a pumice stone, a brush, all of that. You're going to want to grab one of these sugar foot scrubbers if they have it at your Dollar Tree, but it's totally optional. It's just going to help to smooth out your heels. You're going to need a manicure kit that includes a clipper and all of that stuff, a cuticle trimmer, and this is a scrub that I made using brown sugar and coconut oil, which you can also get at Dollar Tree. You're also going to want to get some baking soda to put in your water, some apple cider vinegar, and some bath salts. So I also got this base coat / top coat and this nail polish, a nail file, and this dish pan. So what you're going to want to do is fill up the dish pan with water as hot as you can stand. This is what you're going to be soaking your feet in. Then once the water is ready, you're going to want to add some bath salts, and you're also going to want to add some baking soda. Go ahead and put your feet in and then add the apple cider vinegar, and this mixture is going to help remove all the dead skin from your feet. I don't know how it works, but it does. It gets your feet super soft. And while you're doing this, just get you some wine, some chips. I'm watching my girl Jackie O, okay? And just let your feet soak until the water looks like this. Then I'm going to go in and clip my toenails. It's kind of gross, sorry, I have sausage feet, but you know what I'm saying. Y'all knew what you was getting yourself into watching this pedicure tutorial, okay? Then you're going to want to take the, I don't know what side this is called, but it's like the metal side so that you can remove all the dead skin from your feet. Super gross, I'm sorry, but you know what I'm saying. It just has to be done. It has to be done. If you guys know what it's called, please comment down below so I can stop saying the metal thingy. Then you're going to want to take the sugar foot scrubber and take the abrasive side to kind of go over that. And then I like to flip sides once I'm done with the abrasive side and go to the smooth, fine polished side that's going to help buff out your heels. Now I'm going to take that scrub that I made with the brown sugar and coconut oil and use that on my feet. And afterwards my feet are really soft and really smooth. Now I'm going to take the pumice stone to just extra smooth out my heels. You know what I'm saying? I got a man now. I can't be having no crusty ass heels. Make sure you do this when your feet are dry. And then once they're all done, your feet should look like this. Now these are the tools. I'm not going to go in depth on how to use each of these tools, but the cuticle trimmer is of course to trim your cuticles. You have the cuticle pusher, which is going to help push your cuticles down. You have the nail file to help shape your toenails. It's just your basic stuff. So I'm going to do all of those things and then come back once my toes are already shaped and groomed. And I'm going to go ahead and add this base coat. Once your base coat has dried, you can go ahead and add your nail polish. Like I said, this nail polish was the only thing that wasn't from the Dollar Tree, but the Dollar Tree does have nail polish. I just had my own, so I didn't want to buy any more. And I'm terrible at painting my nails, so as you can see, this is super sloppy and ugly, but don't worry, we're gonna fix it right on up. So I'm gonna take a Q-tip and dip it in some nail polish remover, and I'm just going to clean up the edges of my toenails because I just am not good at painting my toenails, especially because I'm trying to hold the phone while painting my toenails. It just wasn't really a good idea in retrospect, but this can help you to clean up your toes in a quick instant. It really only took a few seconds. Make sure you add another top coat, and when you're all done, your toes will look significantly better. I mean, it was cheap, you know what I'm saying? They look good for the amount of money that I paid. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And remember, in order to live your life to its fullest, you must live fearlessly. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.